Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace Essien. Welcome to my channel. So from the title below, you can tell that I'm going to be relaxing my 4C head today. And I have been on natural hair for the past 5 years. Yes, I've been on natural hair for the past 5 years, and finally today I want to go and relax my hair. So I want to carry you guys, take you guys on a whole journey of relaxing my hair. So right now I'm trying to loosen my hair, and these cornrows I have they have been on my hair for the past, I would say, 3 to 4 weeks, because I know that I've been carrying it during this election period in Nigeria. I think I made it either 2 days before the presidential election, and tomorrow is governor election. So governorship election, whatever, but you get what I'm trying to say. So I want to relax my hair today. Today is Friday, and then I'll make it on Tuesday against Wednesday, because I'm going back to school on Wednesday, and I'm so excited going back to school because I'm graduating this year finally. For those of you that don't know, I'm actually a 6th year medical student, and I'm so happy to be graduating this year because I've spent enough years in school. Yes. So right now I'm actually using my hair, and I really don't know the particular relaxer to use, because when I was relaxing my hair before I turned to natural, I used to use Mega Growth. But all of a sudden, because I have been watching this woman's YouTube videos, Helicious, I'll put her name here, Helicious. Oh my god, she has a very long, relaxed hair, like bra length, and she uses this olive relaxer. I've used olive relaxer before, maybe once or twice, and it was good on my hair. But I've been using Mega Growth, and let us say Mega Growth. I have been using Mega Growth, so I think I might just use olive because Helicious is using olive. That is what being an influencer can do to other people, influence people's decisions. So I'm going to switch over to olive, and we'll just see how it goes from there. So right now I want to use my hair, so oh my god, excuse me, that was a lot. So I think another one is coming, but anyway, I'll see you guys in the salon.
So I finally went to the salon, and I did not use olive relaxer again because they did not have olive relaxer. So now she's using the Mega Growth relaxer. Ignore the dogs at the background. So she's squeezing out the relaxer from the nylon. So if you notice, there's actually like a little sachet of shampoo. So now she's mixing the relaxer, because she has to mix them properly so that she'll put it on my hair. Now she is trying to section, ignore my kid sister. Now she's trying to section my hair into 2 because the hair was quite full. So she's trying to section it into 2. Right now she's rubbing Vaseline and olive oil around the corners of my head, my ear, my forehead, to avoid burns on my skin. So that's what she's doing now. Now she's applying the relaxer from the end, because I told her that I wanted the hair to relax properly, that she should not just concentrate on the roots. So right now she's relaxing the tips first, trying to massage the tips, then she is now going to go down to the roots. As you can see, she's on the roots right now. So after applying the relaxer to the roots of my hair, she's going to section each part with her hand first. She's going to use her fingers rather to section. As you can see here, she's using her fingers to section the hair, to put relaxer, to make sure that the roots are actually getting enough relaxer. So she's going to do that to the 2 sides of her hair. After doing that, she's now going to massage the hair very well. She's going to massage and make sure that the relaxer touches from the root to the tip of the hair. So after doing this, she's now making sure that the relaxer touches like the corner of the head to make sure that my baby hair gets relaxed, like the front hair gets relaxed, and then she's going to massage the relaxer into the hair from the roots to the tip, just to make sure that she gets relaxer on every side of the hair. Now she's going to do that to the both sides of the hair. She goes on to use a wide comb to comb my hair before she uses the small comb. So she's using the wide comb now to comb from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair. Actually, I would have preferred her using the wide comb from the tip to the root, but she just wanted to start from the root of the hair. Yeah, so she's going to do that to this part and to the other part. Then she will now use a small comb. So she's partitioning the hair and combing it out with this small comb to make sure that the relaxer gets in properly. So she's going to do that for every side of the hair. Then after that, it's time to wash the hair, because at this point, hey God, oh, it was now hurting me. I told her that she should please come fast. So I'm sitting down now waiting for her to just connect everything and get the neutralizing shampoo, because I wanted this relaxer off my scalp. Now the thing is that she wanted to use warm water. I told her no, that she should just double the towel, and then she should just start with cold water, that I needed cold water on my hair. So this is me making sure it is cold water. I'm telling her, cold water B. She's saying yes, cold water. Let's see. All right, let's go. No, now look at the hair. They're not even done removing the shampoo out, but look at the hair. See the hair. Are you seeing the front hair? What? God. So the good thing about this shampoo is that once you put the neutralizing shampoo for Mega Good, you'll see that there's a pink color that is going to be there. Just what you see, the foam is actually pink. That means that there's still presence of relaxer in it. So by the time she washed my hair the second time, it was no longer the pink color, it was now white. Look at the pink right now. So after the second wash, the foam turned to white color. So we now realize that, oh yes, the relaxer is completely out. So this is the second time she's washing my hair. As you can see, it's now white and not pink any longer. Yeah. Oh, see that hair? See how it's sliding through the comb? Very easy to comb. Okay, so now she's drying my hair. She just finished washing it, so now she's drying it before she actually dries the hair. So it's time for blow drying, and I'm extremely happy. This is me checking the length of my hair, and I've not yet blow dried it. Are you seeing that hair? Okay, so I told her to put placenta on my hair, like not the actual baby placenta though, but this product is called placenta. I wonder what my sister is thinking. So she's putting the placenta on my hair. It's more like a protein treatment to avoid breakage, because my hair just went through a serious chemical process. So right now she's putting the placenta all over my hair, and I'm smiling because she's making me laugh. Yeah, then after that she's going to put the leave-in conditioner, and then she's going to blow dry my hair and style it so that I can head home. Right now she's adding the leave-in conditioner to my hair, and it's also the Mega Good leave-in conditioner. So right now she's trying to blow dry my hair, and I'm loving the way my hair is actually full. So the way she did it, after blow drying it to make it damp, she now sectioned my hair, and then she started blow drying line by line, section by section. So right now she was telling me that I should do a side parting, that I should not do center parting, since I've been doing center parting too much, so that the center of my hair will not start pulling out. So yeah, I'm doing side parting now, and she's trying to style my hair. So she's finally done with my hair, and I'm turning back to check the length of my hair, and I'm so happy and excited that my hair is still full and long. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Bye.